Alright guys, so apparently this next part is supposed to be at Chuck E. Cheese's, but apparently I just had a problem there with some random guy, and I was just about to record myself playing some games, and apparently this random guy had to give me a big friggin' problem. He says it's weird filming at Chuck E. Cheese. I'm like, I filmed there before. Yeah, I've made many videos there before, but now after that incident just happened, well, I probably should have got it on video, but, well, I did not even hit the record button yet until this guy walked up to me. He said it's weird filming in a Chuck E. Cheese. I'm like, I really don't know what the hell this guy's problem is, but I'm literally friggin' pissed right now. I am at Walmart right now, and I'm about to buy a couple of things. Yeah, this iced tea. And Pixels on DVD. Man, $3.74, it's still not that bad for a DVD.
Insert cash or select payment type. Insert cash or pay another way.
Oh, here we go. Yep, I got Pixels on DVD. I'm definitely going to watch that later as soon as I get home.
Please check your change. Cash is dispensed below the scanner. Thank you for shopping at Walmart.
Anyway, I'm going to get going now. I will see you guys later. Alright guys, I am at a laundromat right now, and I see that there's M&M's stuck and Oreos as well. Well, the lady is actually kind enough to let me shake this thing out. Let's see if we can try to get it out. Damn, this thing's heavy. Oh my god! Guys, I literally shook it. It barely fell out. Holy crap. Man, this thing is heavy. This thing must weigh the friggin'... This must be the same weight of a damn elephant. You know what, we're gonna... Yeah, it's coming out. Yeah. Don't worry, guys, I'm not gonna hit the glass. Damn, this thing's heavy! The lady's shaking it! It's coming out, it's coming out! A couple more shakes should do it! Yeah, we got it! Woo! We got it out. The lady helped me get it out. Thank you, ma'am. Yep. We got a free bag of M&M's. Awesome. Well, we were not able to get the Oreos out because the thing is stuck in that little corner right there where I'm pointing at. That little black thing. Yep. Oh my god, we got a thing of M&M's from the vending machine. Yeah, the lady gave me permission to do that, so anyway, see you in a little bit. Alright guys, right now I'm just looking at some of the Christmas cards that they have here. Well, oh my god, that looks like one of the characters from the Harry Potter movies. That looks like Petunia. Yeah, that's Harry's aunt. And, oh wait, I was actually here a couple days ago and I bought a Christmas card for my friend Stephanie. Well, me and her usually don't see each other too often, so I figured, I'll buy her a Christmas card, just to think of her, of what a nice best friend that she is. Well, yeah, this is the one that I actually bought the other day. It's over at my house. I just got a...
Oh my god, I almost elbowed you right in the head.
the hell? Somebody What the hell? What the hell's going on over there?
Really?
Oh my god. Bunch of funny stuff going on over there. Oh my god. Let's see what Christmas candy they got here. Oh, they got some bootleg M&M's candy in here. These are called chocolate lentils. They got a bunch of other Christmas candy in here, including this stuff. Caramel claws. Soft, creamy caramel in a chocolatey shell. No, I'll get those another time. You know what, guys? I gotta get my dad a bottle of Diet Pepsi because I know he's gonna want one. Now let's go through this aisle right here, see what they have. Oh yeah, I remember they used to sell air horns here, those small air horns in here. They used to sell them here, but not anymore. Oh my god, that was funny. I used to, back like years ago, I used to like go into Burger King. I used to like get everybody with the air horn, which is kind of funny. And that one girl that I know that went there, she was standing there friggin' laughing at it. There's this girl I knew back in high school. Yeah, she was there back then. I blew the air horn and she was friggin' laughing at it. Speaking of high school, by the time June 22nd, 2020 rolls around, that'll be my 10-year anniversary of my high school graduation. Probably by then I might be planning a high school reunion. I'm definitely going to be looking forward to that. So, anyway, where's the soda? Oh, it's right here. What, they don't have Diet Pepsi? Oh, crap. Come on, man. No Diet Pepsi? Alright, guys. I just got home. And while I was waiting for my clothes to be done drying at the laundromat, I just went to the GameStop dumpster and I just found a Mario poster. Well, I'm probably going to have to clean it first since it was in a dumpster, and I'm going to be giving this to my friend Andrew. So, because, yeah, he likes Mario. So, anyway, I guess that wraps the video up right here. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. On one more thing, guys, there's definitely going to be more videos at different arcades. So I'm going to try to make Season 5 look as different as possible. I'm going to try to go to many other different locations as often as possible. So anyway, catch you guys later. Have a safe day.